You know that's very rude, right?
I don't care.
That's why I'm gonna bust your shot when you reach home.
Bust your shot.
Alright then.
I bust your shot.
Alright then.
I bust your shot.
I'm gonna bust your shot. Wait till you reach home.
Ashland.
Oi, snap out of it. You're back in the room. Snap out of it.
Okay, so Ashland, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, and if you win, Dave can't see it now.
He's hypnotized.
He's trying to be annoying. Okay, guys, can I do rock, paper, scissors?
Me?
Okay, so if you win, so just do it. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oi, you're not at home. Keep it down, please. Okay? Do you understand, Ashland? Do you understand? You're not at home. What? Excuse me? Watch what happens when you get home. You need to tell the woman what you want for your dessert.
Ice cream or cream? Ice cream, yeah?
Please can I have a lolly?
Organic. Rainbow lolly. Lolly, yeah? Okay, and pizza?
You do this.
Ashland, what you just say you no care? You just tell me say you no care?
I just said I care.
Alright, so when you get home, make sure that you care. You alright?
I would care.
What?
I would care.
You know how cheeky that is what you just said a while ago? You know that's very rude, right?
I don't care.
That's why I'm gonna bust your shot when you reach home.
Bust your shot.
Alright then.
I bust your shot.
Alright then.
I bust your shot.
I'm gonna bust your shot. Wait till you reach home.
I bust your shot to baby child.
Alright, wait. Since you're bad. Since you're so bad, when you reach home, I'm gonna bust your shot and show you who is boss. Yeah?
Can
Watch.
you say bounce and starts? Guys, do you say bounce and starts? Yeah, what? Keep eating wet. That's cool, I see the fan. Yeah, so what? Hot
When you reach home, you know I'm gonna bust your shot though. You know that?
Yeah.
Yeah man, kind of too cheeky.
Yeah, slap yourself. Slap.
Little bit too cheeky.
You're so good. I just slap you like
Yeah.
ice cream.
You agree with that? If you bust him a shot? Huh? If you bust him a shot, right? Alright.
Let's spin and I'll bring the desserts over the rest.
Thank you, mate. I'm gonna bust your shot when you reach home.
Does it hurt?